How to use Tradovate app. In the trading platform, you can view and sort of current orders by time, price, or symbol. You can open up the application, make sure that you've logged into your account. You can tap on trade in order to open an order ticket and see future types, equity. You can open up your profit, loss, and positions. From the menu, you can view trade details, pricing, and depth of the market doom. You can swipe left to see charts, zoom in or out, and use the blue button or the plus icon to add indicators. In the DOM, drag orders to adjust prices or access settings like join bid or offer and enable brackets. To imagine trades, you can open up My Positions, which will be on the top right. Tap on the three dots and choose Show Orders or Cancel All. You can switch accounts via the drop-down menu next to your account number. To place or modify orders, you need to tap on the price on the bid or offer side and confirm. You can also drag to adjust trailing stops. To close a trade instantly, you need to press the blue cancel button, which will be on the bottom of your screen. That's how you can use your Tradovate mobile app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.